Okay, let's start. Have you guys had your lunch? Okay, good to know that. So you have enough energy to continue for today's session. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, 1 second. Okay, start. Okay, main thing for today, visual text and open-ended comprehension. Okay, let's check. These are some rules for the new students. If you need to ask anything, just use the raise your hand function, and then I will let you unmute yourself to, any clarify any question. If you need toilet break or something, let me know. But we will have a short one at 3:45 later on. Okay. All right. So two things that we're going to do today. Actually, it's quite straightforward today. One, visual text. Number two, open-ended comprehension, which we will practice our reading as well later. We will kill two birds with one stone for today. So let's start with visual text without further ado. Okay, take a look at this first. Variety baking workshop for adults. Okay, take about 1 minute to read this poster. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Now we're all going to take turns like last week, okay? So look at this question. What is the main purpose of this poster? Like what you've already mentioned from last week, right? Whenever we look at visual text, look at the PAC before you even look at the question. Sorry, can you just ask yourself what is the PAC of this poster first? All of you, like personally, just answer this question. What is the PAC of this poster? Okay, then let's look at the first question. Take about 30 seconds to look at the question, and then you guys answer this question, but I will get one of you to share with me your answer in a bit. So read this question first. Main purpose. Hmm. Back to the poster for those of you who still needs. Okay. So Emma already shared your answer, Emma. So thank you. Okay, I saw your answer. You were saying that it's D, right? To promote baking workshop for adults. Exactly. That's what they want. There's variety baking workshops for adults. Okay. But just double check. So is it to remind people to visit Nisun CC? Why do you want to remind people to visit the CC? Persuade people to eat less cake. Are you serious? How can you persuade anyone to eat less cake? Not in this particular poster. Nope, nope, nope. Provide recipes on how to bake cakes. Not exactly. Where are the recipes here? There's no recipe here in this particular poster. But of course, it's to promote a baking workshop for adults. As mentioned here, variety baking workshop for adults. Okay, yes. Just try to do this, okay? Even though you already know the answer, try to do the elimination method to confirm that is the correct answer. Okay, we do this method, yeah, so that you guys are confident of your answers. Okay, D. Everybody already answered for me. D. Thank you so much. Okay. Next question. Who will be teaching this baking workshop? Who is the teacher for this? Who is teaching? Put in your answer in the chat. Okay, I think put the answer in the chat is a good idea. Put in your answer in the chat. Who will be teaching this baking workshop? Wow, if Gordon Ramsay or Jamie Oliver teach, I think I also will go, though I don't know much about cooking. Okay, so they say Chef Alan Teo. Trainer. Trainer, basically the teacher. Who's the teacher? This one, Alan Teo. You're right. Okay. All right. This one you know. Why must a CC be teaching the workshop? Of course, not these two renowned chef. Not in the poster also. So it's A, Chef Alan Teo. That's what they put the trainer's name. Yeah, they also put it as trainer. Who's teaching as a trainer. Okay, next question. Same poster. We have 8 questions for this, by the way. Now, when will the baking workshop be held? When? When? Look at the when. Put in your answer in the chat. D. Okay. Nice. You should put in your answers in the chat because even later on, we will check who has answered and who haven't answered, yeah, especially for the new students. If you're not sure, you need to participate in all the questions when we ask you to. Okay, yeah, so it's D. Based on this, 12 March 2017. Okay, not 13, not 31st, not 1st, but 12 March because that's what they say here. 12 March 2017, just to confirm. Okay, next question. Lucy is a passion card member. Oh, sorry. Wait. How much you need to pay for the baking workshop in total? So this one is a price. So she is a passion card member. How much does she have to pay in total for question number 4? You got the answer as B. Okay, question number 4 is, you see, this one is a trick question, guys. $50 for passion card member. Yes, correct. Oops. Wait. $50 for passion card member. Okay, but then you have to pay this $10 more, which you have to pay to the trainer. So that's why they ask you how much is the total. So it would be A, $60. So this is a trick question. So be careful. They like to trick you. That's why they ask you in total. Right, so when they give you this, that means they want you to do some maths. Basically, you got to calculate $50 plus $60. It's a plus $10 equals to $60. So be careful of these. This one is a trick question. A lot of students get tricked by this particular question. Okay, so $60. Okay, next one. The variety baking workshop for adults will be held at which particular place? Where is it held? Where? They already tell you where. Put in your answer in the chat. Where is here? This is where? Nee Soon ECC. This is the venue. So where they will actually do the particular lesson. Nee Soon E. So that will be D. Okay, I think most of you got the answer for question number 5. D, yes. Okay. All right. Let's see the next question. According to the poster, what is one kind of cake you can learn to make at the baking workshop? One type of cake. Look at the cakes, very appetizing cakes here. So what is one type of it for question number 6? Look at this and see the options. Check the options. I would love to have all the options on the menu. Tiramisu, no. Even though it tastes good, it's like coffee cake, And then pandan cake, no, don't have. Strawberry shortcake, where's the strawberry shortcake? Don't have also. Only one, chilled avocado cheesecake. There, this one. It looks very interesting. Anybody likes cheesecake here? Yeah, Emma is like already raised up your hand. Me too. 5. Okay. The rest of you, you're like, yeah, exactly. Those who like cheesecake, 5 with me. Nice. Oh, so I do have my cheesecake lovers here. Nice, very nice. But unfortunately, we don't have it with us right now. But we can see the poster. Look at the beautiful picture of this avocado cheesecake. Yes, and the answer is B. Okay. And then next question, the variety baking workshop for adults takes place on, okay, which day does it take place on? So they're asking you for the day, which particular day, which day. Question number 7 is C. Sunday. Yeah, exactly. You're right. Okay, a lot of the questions are quite straightforward here. C, Sunday. Okay, yes, this one, so not this, not this, not this. It's only one day, Sunday. Okay, nice, very nice. All got C, nice. Okay, last question for the visual text, guys. Based on this, what is the main purpose of adding photos of cakes to the poster? Now, this one is a slightly different purpose question. Why they want to add photos of cakes like just now? Look at this cake, like, yummy cake, and then look at this yummy cake. Why they put these photos here? Question number 8. What do you write? D. Teach readers how to make cake. You cannot teach readers how to make cake using a photo. Cannot. Showcase the most popular cakes in Singapore. No, avocado cake is not the popular cake in Singapore. Okay, it is to warn readers about the dangers of excessive sugar consumption. No, they are not doing a health campaign here. It's to show viewers the kind of cake they will learn to make during the baking workshops. Basically to show what they will learn to make. Yeah, definitely is a D. Okay, so it's like make us visualize it better for those who want to sign up. So the answer is D. Okay, they never say anything about any health campaign and all that for this particular poster. Okay, I'm just curious, guys, because they say here is to showcase the most popular cakes in Singapore for one of the option here. Just out of curiosity, what do you think is the most popular cake in Singapore? Can you put inside the chat? What do you think is the most popular cake? Put inside the chat just for fun here to see what do you think is Singapore's most popular cake. So if they put that picture, maybe it's slightly different. Don't know, never mind. Those of you who know, just give a guess. It's okay. What cake? Chocolate cake, is it? Pandan cake. Ah, so it's like Singapore's cake, fruit cake, okay. OMG, somebody said awfully chocolate cake. Oh gosh, that is just so, I know, thinking of it already making me feel like, okay. Banana cake, okay. Wow, a lot of interesting answers. Awfully chocolate cake, banana cake, fruit cake, pandan cake, cream cake. Interesting. Like those kind of cake that they sell at the neighborhood shops, maybe. Okay, so this is a wow, your birthday is next week Friday. Okay, then you can already decide what cake you want, Carlene. See, they give you so many options here. Guys, give Carlene some idea. What birthday cake should she get? Cheesecake, dark forest cake. Ooh, Carlene, what is your favorite cake? Put in the chat. Fruit cake. That's why you say it's fruit cake for the Singapore cake. Okay, you can think about it. You got about a week or so to think about what cake you want to get for your birthday. It's so cool, right? That's why, like, nowadays there's so many different variety of cakes, so you can choose what you want. So Carlin, you got 1 week to choose, choose wisely. Okay, so basically it's not to showcase the most popular cake, but I just wanted to know from your point of view, what is Singapore's popular cake? Okay, what cake defines Singapore? I like a red velvet cake. Maybe that might define Singapore. So red color cake and then white color cream, maybe. Yeah, red velvet cake. I don't know whether you guys have tried it or not, but it's like, if you get the correct ones, like, yes, it's really yummy. Okay, whoa, wait, sorry, I get a bit distracted when we talk about cakes. Okay, so let's continue our lesson here. Let me just stop share for a while. All okay there so far, everybody? Okay, is talking about cake already making you hungry? Okay, yeah, actually me too. I'm like, oh no, like, okay, where should I go and buy my cake later? Okay, then my sometimes becoming English teachers, right? Like, we have a lot of funny cravings. Okay, all right. So all okay so far, and now you already know the techniques for visual text question. Now, guys, Starbucks. Wow, Emma even give me recommendation. Go to Starbucks to have chocolate cake. Or any kind of cake. Starbucks, maybe even Coffee Bean has very nice cakes. Yeah, Carlin, go and think. We are giving you ideas already, Carlin, for your birthday. So think. So the rest of you, next time you have birthday, you must tell us, then we can give you ideas on what to do, what to buy, what to eat, etc.